Y'all have been way too hype about these drizzilicious snacks. My husband and I went to Target the other day and we couldn't even find one because it was sold out freaking everywhere. But weeks later, I finally got my hand on a bag and we are here to taste test to see what the freaking hype is about these snacks. I already know what this is. Oh, this is phenomenal. Wow. This is so good. They're like little mini churros in a bowl.
I'm liking this one. I definitely lemon. I know I'm not lemon. I love lemon cake, all lemon.
I don't know the flavor. Like, it tastes like pancakes and syrup. Nope. Yeah. This, excellent.
It has to be the s'mores one.
You think it's s'mores?
It has to be s'mores.
All right.
I taste the chocolate. Birthday cake.
Wah, wah.
I taste the chocolate. Good though. Birthday cake. I love birthday cake. Goody caramel. This is good.
That chocolate drizzle? So, we get the hype now. We're Team Drizzilicious, and you should be too.